If you find yourself logged out of your Revolut account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the recovery process. Step 2. Select Help. Once the app is open, navigate to the Help section. This is usually found in the Profile or Settings menu. Here, you can find resources and options for account recovery. Step 3. Report the issue. In the Help section, look for an option to report suspicious activity or account access issues. Follow the prompts to describe your situation clearly and provide any necessary details. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Follow instructions. After submitting your report and verifying your identity, follow any additional instructions provided by Revolut. This may include resetting your password or enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to regain access to your account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for further assistance.